Okay, let me start explaining this a bit. Okay, the first law is this word: change what doesn't work. Now, why this is so important? Okay, suppose you have a goal and you have a goal to be fit and you have a specific method for it. Okay, so in order to be fit, you need to exercise, and you had a particular way or method in your mind and you tried it out, but it didn't work, you didn't exercise. So now what you do is just you take what didn't work and you just change it, and you go to another method and do the exercise. Let's take another example. Suppose there is a competition that you wanted to win, and you had a hypothesis that if I will do this, then I will win it for sure, and you didn't win. Well, you just change the hypothesis and go to the competition again. And well, but why don't people actually change? Well, how to change? Because changing, the second law is the law, this word energy, because changing requires tremendous amount of energy, and the way and the method. So, and yeah, how many times you have to change something before you start winning? Well, there is a threshold to everything. Mostly it is, how can I say, it is a flat graph, and after a point it becomes exponential. And in chemistry you can see that you might have studied something like activation energy, right? That a chemical reaction starts after the activation energy. And let's talk about some people like Elon Musk and Steve Jobs. Like, we call them really focused. What focus actually fundamentally does is just it. Focus is fundamentally putting your energy all at one place. And if you talk about Nikola Tesla, he said that if you want to understand the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Well, we will come to the other words, but not in his terms. Okay, but at least energy, right? And let's think about the people that we like